Hey everybody, good morning. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So we are getting ready to head out to our next run. We're still out in California. We actually got stuck out here for a while. Had some offers, but everything was like kind of pushed out very long, not picking up for like a week away and things like that. So, but we finally got a load. We're finally going to get moving. We are picking up today and going from California over to Colorado. This is going to be a 89-mile deadhead for a 1,096-mile run. And this is going to be one piece at 2,400 pounds. This is just a regular white glove shipment, but it's not temperature or anything like that. So yeah, it is currently about 6:30, 6:45 in the morning, California local time. Just got everything done, got my pre-trip done, got my coffee down here, slowly getting it into my system. And we're getting ready to head out here and go make this pickup and then get on over to Colorado. Been looking at the load board, haven't seen anything coming out of there, but we did see some stuff over the last couple of days before we got dispatched on this. So there is a little bit coming out of Colorado. We just gotta find something for us, you know? So anyway, let's get on the road. Let's go make this pickup and get on over to Colorado. Hey everybody, and good morning. Hope you all are having another wonderful day. Today is Thursday. We just stopped to do another driver swap. We are still on our trip over to Colorado. We are in Colorado now, but like I said, we just stopped to do a driver swap. It's about 7 a.m. local time, and just went out, done my pre-trip, got all my stuff together, and got my coffee over here. And I'm watching this beautiful sunrise. Absolutely gorgeous. Love riding through here. Colorado's got to be my favorite state to ride through. But yeah, I only got about 135 miles left to go. So I'm going to get on the road, get down to our delivery, and see what we get next.
I don't cross my T's. Say pretty please, or speaking little white lies. I've got a rebel soul. 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 Oh, just get down with it, down with it. Just get down. I ain't no thing that you can chain with a ring, and I ain't no price for admiring eyes. I've got a rebel soul. 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 Just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be a good girl when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good, but no.